So you are into your TikTok account and you like to delete that specific account. The process actually is not that hard. So if you're ready to break the scroll for good, then going to be doing this process exactly where the deletion settings get into the latest update. The first thing to do is to sign into your TikTok account. I'm going to be using my TikTok into my desktop to make this process much more faster so I can locate everything inside, but you can still do this into your Android or Apple device. The first thing to do after you have opened your TikTok application, you want to focus into your profile tab into the upper right corner. Then I choose the element that says view my profile. I select this element, and now that I'm inside here, then I can see the element that says settings. If you're into your phone, you might be seeing that into the left section. So now that I'm into my settings, I wanted to make sure that I'm directly into the settings and the privacy. So usually into the element that says managed account, into the upper section you should see the element that says deactivate or delete account. When you click directly inside here, you have now choose the element to delete or deactivate your account. Now, what is the actual difference between both of them? If you choose the element that says deactivate, this is temporarily. It hides your content, but you can come back anytime. So that means that if you want a clean break, if you want to delete absolutely everything, you need to choose the element that says delete account permanently. So you'll be asked for a reason why you'll be leaving. You can pick one or more reasons. And sometimes it gives you like a few recommendations to not decide to delete your account, but in this case, we wanted to just stick around with our decision, hit for the element that says continue. Now, usually it says recommend downloading your TikTok data, like your video post, because you can no longer download it to your deletion account. If you wanted to receive all the videos you have uploaded so far, you choose the element that says request a download. This will be sending you the file format of all the elements, the TikTok comments, direct messages, everything directly inside here. And you select the element that says requested data, and it will be giving you a folder that you can download into the future. If you're not interested into that, then choose the element that says continue and skip that part. Then once you finish with this element, it will be telling you the actual risks of deleting your account after the 30 days. That means that after we select the element that says delete, it will be a period of 30 days. After this happens, your account will be deleted permanently. That means that we won't be able to log in once again. We will lose access to all the videos. Information stored is in an account. Information is in the TikTok server, such as draft, everything removed, and we won't be able to get a refund or any purchases received. If you're okay with that, choose the element that says continue. Lastly, you wanted to choose the element that says enter the passcode first, delete the account, and it will be deleted your account processed. It won't be deleted right away, as I told you that it will be needed 30 days in order to delete absolutely everything from the actual application. So after the 30 days, you have now officially free from the algorithm. So you're actually good to go. If this guide helped you with this specific problem, you let us know in the comments below. So hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Tech if you want to see more great information about this great tools. And if you still having a few problems with your TikTok account, you can let us know in the comments as we just did. Thank you and see you next time.